Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration options on this Motorola. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Then click on Sound and Vibration, scroll down again and click on Vibrate for Calls. Now click on one of those options to pick the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first then ring quarterly. I will go with always vibrate. After that, click on the back button, scroll down and choose this sweater next to outgoing call vibration to enable or disable it. Now you can also click on this sweater next to charging sounds and vibration. And finally manage touch vibrations by clicking on this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!